on my way already to go drop off the wheels at Bulletproof Coating and get them powder coated. I'm excited to see how they look after. Hopefully I like it. Like I need to, I'm a little scared with the color I'm going because I don't know, but as long as I like it, I'll be satisfied. If not, I'm gonna cry and then take them back and to get them powder coated a different color. But I hope that doesn't happen. I don't like coming up to this freeway because there's always traffic. Like, doesn't matter if it's during the day, during the night, in the middle of the day, there's gonna be traffic. Alright, I finally got here. I was thinking to myself when I was driving, I always have to like mob out like hours out. Well, this is like an hour, but still, you know, like I have to mob out just to get stuff done for my car. What if I lived by all these people? I wouldn't have to waste money on gas. Anyways, I'm gonna talk to him. I'll be right back. Alright, so this is the last time you guys are gonna see these ugly wheels like this. Promise they're gonna look way better. So the wheels are actually finally dropped off. I'm excited to see how they're gonna come out. He said I can pick them up by like Monday or Tuesday of next week, but I can't because I work during the week, so I'm gonna have to pick them up till Friday. So I'll see you guys till next Friday. Alright, before I leave, I had to make a quick stop with the homeboy right here. This shit looks pretty bomb. Alright, bye.
1 week later.
What is up, you guys? I hope you guys are all doing well. I just got back from getting the wheels. It's been a week now since you guys just saw the last little part. Here are the wheels right here. I want this color. So I went with Mac Blue. I actually like how it looks. It looks really sick. Like when there's no sun on it, it looks like a dark, it looks a dark color obviously, but in the sun it looks different. So I'm gonna put them on the car right now. I'm just gonna put some Valve stamp caps that I ordered on eBay. I'm gonna go with red because it looks pretty cool to me. If you don't like it, it's all good. It's my car. I actually like how the wheels came out. Pretty dope.
Hours later.
Alright, so I put the wheels on. It got a little too dark because I had to fix some things that I had to do because my tune is actually on the 7th of next month. It's coming up, so I was already under the car. I mean, the car was already on jacks or on the jack, and I just decided to just fix it now. You know, why not? So I'm gonna give you guys a little cold start. I'm gonna go wash the car right after this to show you guys the wheel. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell because it's a little dark. By my dad whenever he's out there because he cares about the neighbors, but oh well. Anyways, I'm gonna go to the car wash, so I'll see you guys there. I like how the car wash is like 2 minutes away from where I live, so that's kind of good. So I'll see you guys in a bit. What the heck? You guys can't really see, but I went with matte blue as I told you guys earlier. I got some lug nuts for it, some red ones, but they were actually too long. And yeah, this broke a long time ago. I'm probably gonna fix it soon, but so I just had to use my other lug nuts that I used when I had the RPF ones. But I like it. It looks cool as fuck. You guys can't really see because it's dark, and that's the other thing about it. Like at night it looks like it's black, so I kind of get like two colors, you know, like blue during the day and at night black, you know. That makes sense. But damn, this thing's dirty as fuck. I'll tag them below. Check them out. Sick ass group in SD. My homie Brian right here, and I got a couple other homies in the back. So yeah, should be dope. It's a parking structure, so the lighting is fucking sick as fuck. Driving the car because I'm still not tuned. I'm not driving the car that much, but try to show you guys how the wheel looks. I'm gonna get Fook right here. On the strip. Still can't really tell because there's not much lighting, but it's pretty cool. Got the homies right there. I like them. They look sick as fuck. I think that's enough. 85. And this one right here too. And that's it for you, sir. Oh shit. What? Say something, Santi.
Come.
What?
Oh, bitch! That's the fucking fastest WRX in fucking San Diego.
You guys heard
No
that?
fucking, no cap.
Came from a stock turbo friend, huh? Ricardo's. Probably put all these guys up so you guys can check them out. But yeah, should be cool. My bad, I'm not talking that much because I'm shy, but it's okay. It's always sick as fuck. Oh shit, my boy got killed. Hey, but oh well, did you guys hear that? Still gonna get lit, another Subi right there. sucks, but let's see how many people try to race me. Told you guys he's gonna try to race. I'm not tuned yet. Vic. They're still gonna run, but I'm just gonna head home. Cops kind of showed up, so my battery's about to die. My bad. This video was literally like everywhere, but make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share it. I'm out.